We should be live here for the New York session. We have overnight highs. We've just been pushing above the previous day's lows where we sold below. So I actually want to go long here. I'm just letting you know. It doesn't have to be perfect. But I actually want to go long here because we basically holding above the previous day's lows, but let's give it some time here. Don't want to rush it too much. I mean, we sold from 440 to 340. That's 100 points movement that we could potentially make on this trade here. So I'm just going to open up my chart here. Okay. Taking it pretty chill, slow day, no big news. UK is pushing, just letting you know, we probably getting to some resistance soon. DAX is also pushing a bit, also seeing some resistance here around 300. I'm actually not super sure, to be honest, how DAX, Wall Street, how US 30 is doing, so Wall Street. Guess that's kind of like holding, I see. But that could also sell off. So what we see on Wall Street is selling pressure, bounce back, but not so much progress. The same we see on Nasdaq right now. We have an orb short triggered on Friday. Take profit on previous day's lows. I actually also want to go short, take it back to here, but I could also like to go long and take it back to previous day's high. So right now I'm in the middle of what I should be doing, but above here I'm long, below here I think I'm gonna be short. So I hope you can see everything. Everything should be smooth. If you want to trade with me, click the guide through the Telegram, guide 3. It's a pin message, and then you could follow that guide. You could join the Miro thing, but you could also just trade on your own live account after me every day if you want to do that. There's no rush. So market is not really reacting. It's not really doing anything. I really want to short the market. If we can kind of like break below. To me, it looks like a short. So if we break below now, I'm planning to go short. I still want to give it 3 minutes. I'm not trading for the first 15 minutes. So if we could break below 300 or 325, then it will be a short for me. But again, it could also bounce back after 15 minutes. We could start to see some push. Let's see, it's going to be interesting. How will the market react after 1 hour? I think they're going to trade sideways, but let's see. And how will it react after 15 minutes? Normally it sells off and then it turns around. Let's see. I'm actually thinking about a quick scalp. So a quick long position around here. Could take it back to here or below for a session on Friday. Staying by for a long position. I'm gonna buy the Nasdaq right here. It's a risky play, but I would like to do it. Let's see here. We like to buy it around 316. We do not really manage to break or below. If we do, it's a short. Let's see here. Haven't done anything. So I haven't done anything yet. Let's see. I don't have any open positions. Or below is about to break. But Wall Street is holding. DAX is selling off. After 15 minutes, will we really target previous day's lows? Will we really target overnight lows? We have a break of structure. It was pushing very beautifully. It really pushed pre-market, and now we see a little correction. Will this really continue? Let's see. Do you really want to go long here? It's like a very weak setup for long. The trend is pointing down. But it could work. Could push. Let's see. Looks like the momentum is pointing more down than up, to be honest. So we sold off pre-market. We opened, we sold more off. Let's see if it's going to stop, turn around, and then push. And then we go in that direction. And we target 445 or at least 500. That's my kind of like idea of taking selling pressure. Everyone going short here, they hoping it's gonna fall more, and then it switch, and then it just rallies, and then we jump in, and then we take 100 points, we move stop loss to break even, and we let it rally. If that doesn't work, then we just short. But actually Dow Jones is selling off, so DJ is selling off, S&P is selling off, Nasdaq is also dumping now a bit. Let's see here if it's going to continue. I'm not super sure if this is going to continue. So Wall Street is actually selling off. This is Wall Street. It's selling off. It's breaking orb low with no close below, no confirm. Could really quick turnaround and then be a long if it managed to actually go above. Let's see if it's gonna rally. Nasdaq looks like a long now. It looks like a potential long that we might have soon. Let's see. everyone said that's probably why I make a lot of money in this industry from just trading, because I don't have to convince, I don't have to sit with other people and convince them that this is correct or not correct. I'm doing it when I want to, right? So everyone said that they would go in for short, and I can see the idea. If it's holding here and it starts selling below or up again, then it's a clean short, right? So then it's a clean short, and then we should talk it around here. I agree with the short, but I just saw something that we have a big push. It's sold off. It's too good to be true, and then it bouncing back. That thing right there, I don't want to short it there or there because I knew it will just go back maybe a little bit, and that's simply why that I don't want to. So I'm just waiting here. We might have a good setup soon coming in. Let's see. Be careful, it keeps getting rejected. It keeps being rejected, okay? So I'm just informing you about what's going on and where I think the market is going to go. So big push, will come back and push again. Let's see if that's close below or below in the next couple of minutes. It's very interesting. If I would have shorted it, I would have to hold it for 6-7 minutes, and I would have been making nothing really. Yeah, I have no open positions, nothing opened. It reminds me of DAX. I think we have to be careful. I think it's an overreaction, what we see right here on NASDAQ. How's Ethereum doing? That's been the leading indicator, right? A friend of mine told me that. Ethereum is actually holding okay. What about BTC? It's selling off a bit. MicroStrategy, it's also selling off 4% down. Interesting. It's very interesting. So I think it's actually selling off. I mean, it's pointing down. It's really pointing down. Should we really short it? It's actually today that both of my software is getting updated. Getting a new software that's matching exactly how I trade, my mindset, my principles, my risk management, more stop loss, more TP levels, faster, much better, much more safe. So I'm launching that. I don't know if you know that, but I have this website here where this is my software that you could get access to on Whoop. You connecting it to TradingView with any broker and you trade. And you should just use the Vantage broker. How you setting that up, the TradingView account? It's linked in my Telegram Guide 3 pinned message. So that's going to be launched. It should be finished today. It should be now. And then it's going to be updated and refreshed. So when you're signing up or we joining, if you already have access to the software, then you should see new softwares. That's just going to go. You don't have to do anything. It'll just get updated automatically. The software that I'm using is going to be much better. I mean, it looks like it's really pushing. We have an orb short. I mean, we should target previous day's lows. But it's tricky, and let me explain why this could be a little bit tricky. Because we saw what the market could do. It could turn from here, these lows here, right? And it could go up again. So it can rally 100 points very quick back. To take some stop losses and to turn the direction. I still think it's a potential long, to be honest. Why? We're very close to support. We're very close also here We don't see much momentum after 15, after 20 minutes. It's kind of like choppy. I know. Again, I'm thinking about really going long here. I'm thinking about buying it. You shouldn't probably copy me, just to be honest. Should I go long? It looks like a potential long could go up, and then with a tight stop loss here. It's tricky, because of course it could sell off. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna break below. Once it's gonna break above 300 or 294, I'm considering a long position, probably back to 440 or maybe 500. I think it's gonna turn soon. Let's see if it's going to continue to dump. Nasdaq is weak today. It's very weak. I think it's going to sell off a bit more, and then I think it could turn. There's basically 200-300 points in upside here. I just don't know how low it's going to go. I think it's going to turn around here. I know we're seeing an orb long, but I don't think I will take it. Orb short, sorry. I still think it's an orb long. Orb low. I still want to buy it. I think it could turn very quick. Let's see. It's pushing back here. If it's gonna break, then it could trigger a long. I think it's too obviously that people will just not turn it here and keep shorting it. But again, it could also just be weak because things is really going down. I mean, market is actually correcting itself. There's like 200 points in upside, just so you're aware, for a potential long. From 250 to 460, there's 210 points. But again, of course, it could go down here. Everyone is shorting it, I know. And I should also be shorting it. I know, guys. I'm aware of that. I'm not stupid. But I like to trade against the market. But Dow is also breaking here, breaking below. Let's see. No trades. Yeah, it looks like it want to dump. Let's see. Are they really gonna dump this market today? If it's a bad Friday, it's always a bad Monday. I know. But how is Nvidia doing? Yeah. Let's see. Nope, it's getting rejected. Doesn't look like it's gonna turn after half an hour. It just looks like it's gonna rally. So what's the risk? I think the risk is that it's going to point down and go down to around here, that range. If it goes above 57, I'm long. It looks like we keep dumping. We keep selling off. The market doesn't want to turn. Still think there's some support around here. I'm gonna take a very risky trade. You shouldn't copy me at all. I'm gonna go long here. Have my stop loss below these previous day's lows, and I have my target back to 560. I'm long right now, guys. I just placed a long position on my live account. I'm also placing it on my mirror account. It looks weak, but I'm long here, okay? Just letting you know. Don't copy, it's a risky play. I just see something in the market. It doesn't have to be correct. It doesn't have to be correct. 217. Let's see. Lots of selling pressure today. Let's see, I'm long. I might loosen this one here. But I think it's gonna bounce around here and bounce around here. That's why I did it. but it doesn't have to be perfect. Right now, things is just really selling off for the market, and that's not looking good for me. Okay. So I do this because I'm a professional and I can tolerate the risk. There is a very good risk to reward. And we could see a big and strong pullback very quick, okay? Let's see. That looks good, guys. Let's make some money. Yep, that looks good. Come on. Gonna make 20K on that one. $30,000. Come on. Come on. Push, man. Push. Push. Come on. Push. Push, my friend. Come on. Push. Yep, buddy. Come on. Let's make some fucking money. Let's go. Come on. Push. Come on. And then I'll be done for today. And then I'll be up $20,000. Come on. Yeah, that looks good. Come on. Push, man. Come on, go up. Nope, doesn't seem to work. I want to break 280. Things is turning for some of the markets. This is kind of like choppy. It's getting rejected around here. If it goes all the way from here and all the way back and down below, then I'm probably considering adding more and then take it back again. But let me see. I also want to add to it around here. It was looking very good and then it just jumped again. Probably should have my stop below 150. Nope. Let's see. I'm just gonna go back, or what are we gonna do? The reason why we didn't got any orb short, we got an orb, is just have to be 15 minutes, I think. Yeah, then you have an orb short, guys. So, I mean, I should just have followed my own system, but I just don't want to sell and then I get like TP around here. I mean, it's okay, it will work, and this stop loss is the opposite side of the range. It will have worked. I should just have done that. I should just have followed my own rules, but I just don't. I mean, this is exactly what I expected. But let's see Dow Jones. It sold off and then it bounced back, right? The same did DAX. That's also why I was longing it. That's also an orb short, if you're using the Nasdaq indicator on DAX. So let's see. I mean, not the best setup, to be honest. I thought it would do better. Let's see if it's actually gonna break out or if it's gonna sell below again. So right now it looks like it's gonna sell off. Will this go all the way back again? That's completely insane. Wow. It just went up almost to 280s and then right back again. Completely insane. Nope, it's not working. Doesn't seem to work at all. Doesn't seem to work. Market doesn't want to go up. But it was looking okay. I thought just it would turn. Come on. Why don't go up? should go up, but it doesn't want to go. It doesn't want to go. It's keep getting rejected. So it is correct, an orb low. It's a short. We have break of structure of the opening range 15 minutes. We have to target this level here, and then it might turn. But I think there's going to be a strong support here, and then I think it's going to bounce back, and it's probably going to go back to previous day's highs. I have my target around 550. It's just selling off. Doesn't look good. Let's see if it turns here. Nope, it's just selling off, dumping. The market is really dumping. Wow. When it's first going to turn to a green bar, then I think it's going to take out and then push very strong. But right now it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. It looks horrible. But when it's going to turn, I think it's going to really turn. And that's what I'm basically expecting to see. But right now it turns out to be red instead. Still long. I want it to turn in the next 10 minutes, else I'm out. I'm telling you, the next 10 minutes it have to turn, else we out. Have to turn in the next 10 minutes and turn at previous day's lows, or we should close. Support should be above previous day's lows, and it should go back, but it's not working. It's just keep dumping. It keeps dumping. I still think they will try to push it lower before they're gonna turn it. It's too obviously not to. So they're probably gonna sell it off more before they want to point it back to this range here. But right now it's holding above 200. But it's moving very slow. So will I add to it? I don't know. It's looking very slow. They are really pushing it lower today. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. I did not expect this. But there might be many stop losses soon and many, yeah, where they could really like push it down. They're probably trying to push it below or till these levels here. So they're probably selling it off a bit more before it's gonna turn. Let's see if it's gonna bounce back now. So our entry is 200. So we are about 7 points down. A bit more, let's see. Nope, it's not turning. Slow. It's very close to be turning around 200, let's see. Every time it tries to turn, it's getting rejected and it starts just selling off more. It's probably gonna go to 150. Come on. You so slowly, NASDAQ. Sometimes when I short it, it just goes crazy up. And then today, nope, nothing is happening. I'm also gonna go live on, let's go in here on my business account, buying it here. It's pretty light. I have a stop here at 25. And target 25,500. Let's see. Might not work. Just keep selling off. It keeps dumping. It's completely insane. Haven't seen anything like this in a long time, where things just keep getting worse. But 140 should be enough, or 130. Nope, just keep dumping. Just keep selling off. It's not turning. Very close where it could turn. I'm gonna add to my position, guys, here. So I'm adding here at 177. Myself. Stop below. This is insane. It should go up, man. I'm thinking about exit this shit here because it's so bad. I'm gonna exit here on my business account. Why? Because this is insane. The only reason why I'm exit this one here is just because this is so fucking stupid. I made money on that one, but I'm really not happy with this. To be honest, I'm not happy. Let me see here. Sorry guys. I'm just gonna cancel some orders here. This is insane. This is so fucking stupid. Okay. It doesn't look good, but it's bouncing very hard. It's an SR long reversal. So it's a long here. It's a long, guys. Very important. I'm very heavy on my live account. I'm in with 2,000 contracts long. Yeah, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. Come on. So it did exactly what I expected. Yeah, we should add more. Come on. Will this bounce back, or is this just gonna be annoying? Looks like it's very annoying. Okay, let's see if this goes back above 200, above 210, 220. I think it's gonna rally. What the fuck? Nope, doesn't seem. It's just getting rejected again. Will this try to retest, or what are we planning? Things is falling like a rock. Second time testing. Let's see if it's bouncing back. Come on, break it off. We so close every time and gets rejected. Just have to go above 210 and then it will rally. But I think it's gonna try to take many people out. Nope, doesn't seem to work. It's dumping hard here. Will it turn here? It's going to be interesting to see. Nope. Doesn't seem to work at all. Same exactly as Friday. It's probably gonna sell off more. This is insane. Completely insane. Let's see. It's insane we could dump so much without turning one time. It is what it is. I expected exactly this. Take an orb short, just follow the system. We're just breaking overnight lows, previous day's lows. That could be a fake out, of course. I'm holding it a little bit more to see if it's gonna turn. Nope, doesn't seem to work. It's just selling off. Just keep selling off. Come on, turn. It have to turn now or not. Have to be right now, or else it's not gonna turn. After 1 hour, this is insane. How low will they really dump the market? It's completely insane. Just keep pushing it down. I think it's time to buy it now, but I could keep saying that. Every time they're trying to push it back, they turn it around and it turns red. Wow. Insane. Nope, I don't think it's gonna turn. I think it's gonna get worse. But I'm still holding it and it looks very bad. It's not planning to close. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. I'm still holding it. I'll let you know if I close it. Right now it's too crazy for me to close this one because I'm a huge drawdown. I'm losing about $120,000 on my live account, so that's quite a lot for me. But I'm holding it for now. Let's see. We'll just come back, giving it a couple more minutes, and then I'm gonna end the stream. go up. I'm still long, still in. Come on, let's see if it's gonna break now. It could be good. It could also be very bad. Let's see, will this break? Still in. I'm still long, guys. Still long. This is insane. $80,000 in minus. What the fuck? Still holding. Let's see if it could come back a bit. Ugh. That looks very good. I added to it very heavily. Now I've taken some of it off. Now it looks better, much better. $70 points down. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Once I'm up $50,000, I'm gonna exit everything, and I'm gonna take a long break. Once I'm up 50K, I think I will make it. Nope, looks like it's turning again. What an annoying market. BTC, how's that doing? It's also crashing. Ethereum is also down. Everything is just crashing, but I still think it's going to turn around, and I think it could come back to 260 or 200. Simply why I'm holding it. Okay, so I just have to go back a little bit and then I'm in. I'm gonna add to long soon. Come on. I saw something in the market and I cannot explain it to you. I just saw something, and that's what I saw exactly here. I should have shorted down here, and I should have taken profit as my system told me that I've been paying so much money to. But it is what it is. I'm long now. I have everything long. I'm not stopped out. I'm still in. I mean, I'm not trolling you. I'm not saying, as you can see. Short, so I'm not saying something that's not true. I'm also not short, I'm long, right? Also on my live account here, come on the Mirror trading account. Looks like it's choppy. Come on, break above 180. Come on. Nope, it did not. I have to go above 180, and then I'm very bullish. I'm very bullish if we break now. If we break now, 165. Come on, go above. Nope. Come on. Go above. It did not. It did not. It have to go above here for it to be very bullish, above 166, 167, and then 180, and then it's bullish. Nope, it's getting rejected again. It's a headache. Come on, break out. Nope, it's not holding. Come on, break out. It looks like a long is triggering here. Long. Nasdaq, you crazy. Then back again. It's probably just to grab liquidity. Just looks like it want to go down again. It's very weak. It's not my day. It's not really my day. Just have to go up now, then it's fine. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Nope. Doesn't want to go. Keep getting rejected. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Just added on my Miro trading account. It looks good. Not fucking giving up. I will see if I could. I mean, I also have to be realistic. I mean, I'm not super sure if I can make $50,000 today. I was down like 100. Not giving up. Not fucking giving up. Come on. Are we gonna fucking go or not go? It's so tricky. It goes up, showing a little bit momentum, a little bit progress, and then back again. That's what's very tricky, and that's gonna what force people to close it too early. So once it comes back, people is gonna exit that one. So no one is gonna hold today. Take it to your advantage and just hold it all the way back. So see if you mentally could be strong and hold it once you're in profit. So once you are, hold it all the way back. All the way back. Nope, let's keep selling off. Doesn't want to work for me. Yeah, it looks weak. It looks very weak. And it's not pointing back, it's just going down slowly. At some point it's gonna turn. It's just a matter of time. I mean, Dow is already turning, DAX is already turning. I mean, it's turning a little bit as an SL long stop loss. I would probably have my stop if I was going long on Dow. Stop Dow there now, and then I'll take it again long now. Stop loss around here, and then back to here, or back to previous days. Do we have any news today? I mean, I that's probably why I am making over $1 million a year trading, and I'll do that for the next 5-10 years, because once I'm in a huge loss like this, I'm gonna get very greedy. So I mean, once I'm in profit, I'm gonna hold it like crazy. And yeah, I just saw something, and when I see something, I share it with my community, and I stay loyal, and I'm actually in on the mirror trading. I'm very long right now, and it looks very bad. I'm down a lot of money. So I still think it's a long. I think Nasdaq could come back. It's coming back a little bit here. We down 50 points. Come on, go up, man. Nope, just keep getting rejected. Same level. I wanted to go above 180, but I think it's gonna rally. It's a tough one. Mentally. Come on. So I'll see if I can make the 50K. Come on! Let's go, man. Come on. Let's make some fucking money. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push! Push! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. You should fucking go instead of getting rejected. I mean, I think it's gonna go up. I think I'm gonna make 50,000. I have a feeling of that. How can I actually managing my risk? I'm probably thinking about. Come on. Come on. Yes! Kom nu. Kom nu, skal du have nogle penge her? Ja, tak. Kom så, skal du have $50,000. Og det er de 4 op 200.000 kroner. Kom nu, Hansen. Not giving up here. Come on, push. Push! Come on, we're not giving up here. We're not giving up. Don't give up. Come on, team, we don't give up here. We don't fucking give up, man. Only losers give up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We have to push through it. Hurts. It hurts a lot. We have to fucking make money. We have to do it for our fucking future kids. Yep, that's $30,000 here. 30,000K. Here we go. 30,000 in the fucking bank, and I'm done. What a day. This is too crazy, guys. I'm done. Oh, exit 50% for crazy day. I just saw something, and when I see something, I'm holding it, man. Come on, let's go. Not giving up. Come on. So I'm just waiting to exit for $50,000 profit, and the ones I have is around break even. The ones running position I right have, I want to go back and then I can exit. It's annoying. It's annoying. Fuck, it's annoying. Should I really add to it now? I should, maybe. Okay, I'm glad I exit 50% of my position for 30,000, okay? Then this one I might lose. That's fine. I'll have my stop loss on that one. I can let you know the setup for that one. So I'm in around 210, around there. I have my stop loss at here, and I want to target these highs. This is basically my setup. I could upload it if you want to see it. So I'm holding the first position we opened all together. This is what we opened all together. You could go into Vantage and you could see the mirror trading things. I'm actually gonna make money today, and some of you that mirror my account might have got stopped out because I was in a huge drawdown. I was losing, I think 20% or something. I wasn't losing it, but I was in a drawdown way too much of that account. But I'm in profit now. Crazy day. I mean, it's still a bad trade because it's not really making much more progress after it went up to 224. It actually went up almost 200 points from lows, but I actually wanted to go back to here minimum, but then I mean, around now it should be that. It shouldn't really be what we've been seeing, but I'm still holding it with a loss. I mean, I'm losing money right now, just so you know. But overall, I'm in profit. I trust me, I wouldn't say it if I wasn't. Say, ooh, come on, baby, turn the lights off. Come on, break out. Yes, come on. Come on. Yes, comes up. Yep. Nope, it's not breaking. It have to break this 230 range. Have to break. Come on. Make us money. Come on, break out. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. It's insane. Every time I think it's gonna break 230, it's not. Every time I think it's gonna break, it's getting rejected. It's super annoying. I mean, I think I'm gonna move my stop loss, guys. This is too crazy to risk. So I think I'll move that one. Yeah. So I've moved my stop loss to 150, just letting you know. So my stop loss is right now placed at 150. That's what my stop loss is at right now. Still have a target of 440 right now. It's probably not gonna go up there. Let's see. It was looking so good. I just thought it would break 230 and then it's gonna go right to 300. Wow, that was a very intense day for me personally. Very intense. I was down a lot of money. $100,000 is also a lot for me. That's a lot of money for me. Ugh. Doesn't seem to work. Nope, it's selling off now. I don't think I'm gonna add to it. I think it's too late and I can see it's getting rejected. So the profit I made is just what I'm giving back now. Or should I? Nope, I'm thinking about moving it back. I think it's gonna get rejected. It's too crazy to cut losses here. Still holding it. It's way too long trading for me. So it just sold off from 230 where I got rejected. Above 230 it's a long. It was 180 was a long and I was right about that one. Then it went up there and I thought it would break 230, then it's a long and now it's selling back. So I actually don't know what to do. Because right now it looks like it's turning around again. Let's see if it's gonna go all the way back again. I don't hope you get stopped out. I hope you're following my stream. But I'm still holding it. I have moved my stop loss back. I'm actually still planning holding it all the way back. I actually want to hold it even longer. Crazy, crazy market. I did not expect this. Could I add to this one? Yeah. I could. How is the Danish energy company doing? What about Noble? Things mask, is that moving down? Okay, don't want to do more. I think it's gonna sell off back to my. It looks like. So I'm still holding it. I mean, you could just go into Vantage and search up my name. You could see I'm holding it. Just think it's so stupid to close something where I've been watching it for so many hours now. So the upside is I'm probably gonna make a little bit more of a 50K here, um, in total, only in total. Um, if it goes back here, I've calculated, so I will lose the ones I made, then I'll be break even for today. Very intense day. It's very intense. Still long. I'm not really trying to negotiate with myself. I'm just trying to stay detached, see where we're gonna go. I would like to hold it. Then I'm gonna have a wonderful day. Having a wonderful day, no matter what. Life is great, but still, I mean, it will hold a bit if I mean, making money is more fun than losing. So if this could go back and rally, of course it could be fun. I'm still holding it. I actually don't know what's going on right now. I just know that this market is insane and it's trolling me a lot. Crazy day. It wasn't orb short. Still want to go long. I still think I'm going to be right about this long here, to be honest. But again, I have been doing this, guys, for too many years. Like, I mean, too many years to be trolled like this. I mean, I'm very disappointed if I really start losing today. I mean, then I'm really seeing something, and then I'm very unlucky. Yeah, let's see. I just want to close this, and then, guys, again, if you don't think I'm doing these trades or think I'm not putting enough size on, or you thinking it's faking, go to the Vantage, see my trade, how much I'm up or down. You can go in and see the open positions, but then you can also tomorrow see the refresh of the performance, right? Start thinking about going along here, right? From here to there, there's 200 points. How could I be making money now? A lot of money. Wow, that's weird. On my mirror account, I am. Ethereum should also push a bit. I think everything is just sold, like sold off crazy. but it keep pushing down. Every time it gets back, it's pushing. I should probably just hold this long here and then come back to it later. Guys, this is my setup. Doesn't look good, I know. The only reason why I made money today is because I did not get stopped out and I choose not to close it, even when I should, and even when I told you, and I'm also transparent about it. That's also why I'm not a signal guy sending signals. I'm actually trading live and telling you, hey, I'm not closing it, or I'm adding, or this is where I'm going to take the target to. So it's important that you're not only just watching Telegram, but you're also watching what I'm saying here for the stream. So that was it for me. I think it's the longest stream I have done in a while. Holding it, it still looks like a short. It is a short. There's nothing wrong with that. It looks like the same we saw yesterday, where things just corrected itself, and then after it sold off, as you could see, from 150 to so around 100 points below, and you could see right here it sold off from 400 to 300, around 100 points below. It pushed back, exactly what we're seeing right here, and right after it sold from 400 to 150, and that's basically what we could see right here. Higher highs. It's getting rejected, it's not breaking out, so we could basically see it's going to end around here. Then you might ask, what will I do? Yeah, that's a good question. Probably close it at 0.50, but I still hope it's going to go back. I think it's going to go back, that's why, and that's also why I'm saying if it goes back, hold it here to 440, and don't close it just because you get into break even or you're making a little bit of profit. Then it's not worth it. So I'm done holding it. I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed. Should you expect to make money on these setups here with me? Over time, maybe, but not today. Probably not. But let's see here. I'm hoping for this to break 240, and I think it's going to rally. Right now it looks okay, so I'm still holding it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, I could also see that my screen was actually changing from the trading view till my face. I don't know what's going on. I'm also too tired, but it sold off. I'm still holding it. I'm still long. Nothing have changed. Yes, I'll see you.